Another two important leading case that we'll discuss, one is Srimati Takri Devi versus Srimati Ram Dogra 1984, and it was decided by the Himachal High Court. So the very fact of the case, A for natural love and affection promises to give his son B RS 1000. Here the consideration for the promise is good but not valuable, and B cannot enforce this promise. However, if A puts his promise to be in writing and registers it, the promise becomes binding under section 25 subsection 1 of the Indian Contract Act. So where the donor gifted property worth about Rs 2 lakh in this leading case, and there was neither any relationship between donor and donee, nor they live in the same village. It was held by the Himachal Pradesh High Court that the transaction was without consideration, as it was held in the leading case Srimati Thakri Devi versus Srimati Ram Dogra in 1984, and in another leading case, that is Ram Das and others versus Krishna Devi and others in 1986, the very decision of the Himachal Pradesh High Court also is relating to the fact in which a family settlement between cousin brother and sister was made in writing and registered, and made on account of natural love and affection between the parties. It was held that even if no material consideration was paid by cousin brother, he was entitled to a share in property according to settlement. So these are the two important leading cases relating to natural love and affection and family settlement, and even if the very contract is made in writing, it must be registered. So these are the two most important leading cases, and that is relating to natural love and affection, out of which a promise is made, and if that very contract is, even if is written, it must be registered, and it also relating to the family settlement in regards to certain family performance of the contract relating to the family affairs by the family members. And in our next upcoming video, we'll discuss some other important leading cases under law of contract to clarify those very provisions relating to other important concepts under law of contracts, such as voidable contracts and void agreements.